session 4 of the Habits program. Last week we talked about making healthy food choices. We explored the concept of My Plate and different food groups. We also talked about making low-fat alternatives to your favorite foods and choosing them. We also introduced the concept of tipping the calorie balance. This week, we are going to talk about the other important aspect of the Habits program, physical activity. We are going to talk about how you can make being active a fun part of your life. Apart from the obvious health benefits, being active adds to your sense of well-being and also makes you feel good about yourself.
Yes, I have lost 1 kg. Wow, good. Good for me, yaar.
हेलो मैम, कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक। तेल?
हाँ, तेल उधर सामने है।
दलिया है?
हाँ है। भगत, एक दलिया ले आना। हाँ ठीक है।
आज सोच रही थी दलिया बनाऊं सब्जियां डाल के।
दलिया बनाइए, बहुत अच्छा है।
ये ले लीजिए। एक ब्राउन राइस और ये तेल। कितना हो गया आपका?
300।
वाह श्रेया मैडम, ये खुली हवा में सेशन करने का आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है।
जी हाँ मिस्टर खान, आज हम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी के बारे में बात करेंगे और यहाँ पर आने से सेशन भी हो जाएगा और थोड़ी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी भी। पर आप लोग बताइए, व्हाई डू यू थिंक फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इज इम्पोर्टेंट?
अरे ये तो ऑब्वियस है, वेट लूज करने के लिए।
ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स?
It reduces the risk of heart disease, right?
Yes, and diabetes as well, Raghu. Regular exercise is good for your overall well-being. It reduces stress also and helps you relax because it releases the happy hormones when you're exercising called endorphins.
तो हर तरह से मुनाफा है।
Has anybody been doing any exercises?
I went for a walk every other day. I could only take out about 15 minutes though.
That's very good, Raghu, but I don't want you to overdo it. Start with a slow pace when you walk so that you warm up your body and then you increase the speed.
Yeah, it's very important.
अरे you know what? My office lift broke down and building वालों को 3 दिन लगे उसे रिपेयर करने में. So I've been just taking the stairs up and down. That's been just enough for me.
What floor is your office on, Tanya?
3rd.
Okay, that's a good amount of activity. Being active doesn't just include planned exercise. It also includes these small activities that you carry out during your daily routine. For example, playing with your children or taking the stairs instead of the lift or even walking to the market. These small activities contribute to your overall wellness as much as planned activities do.
Then all the running around that I do during work, like waiting for interviews, going from one department to the other, and in fact I even keep pacing around during work calls. Does all of that also count?
और मैं सब्जी लेने रोज मार्केट पैदल जाती हूँ। वो?
Yes, all of these things count. Although these activities may be too short to keep a track of, but doesn't mean it's less important. You have to keep that in mind and consciously make an effort to add more activity to your day. Right? Like you should take the stairs instead of the lift, or you should park your car away from your office so you walk to it, or even walk to the market. Even in the office, you could walk to your colleague's desk, even if it's a few cubicles away, and not just call or email it to him.
वाह, ये तो दिन भर की कसरत हो गई।
Mr. Khan, these small activities along with moderate but regular exercise can really make a huge difference.
हाँ, बट मुझे याद है पिछले सेशन में आपने कहा था कि पूरे हफ्ते में कम से कम 2.5 घंटे हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए।
Ji, Mr. Khan, that was part of our planned activity. The Habits program recommends about 150 minutes of planned activity to suit your lifestyle in a week. Brisk walking is also part of that activity.
अरे श्रेया मैडम, मुझे तो खुद उठकर अपने हाथ से पानी लेने की भी आदत नहीं है।
मिस्टर खान, कहीं तो शुरुआत करनी होगी। आपका एक्टिविटी लेवल चाहे जितना भी हो, हम धीरे धीरे स्लो और स्टेडी पेस पे एक्सरसाइज शुरू करेंगे। बट देयर सम थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड। फर्स्टली, कीप ट्रैक। जैसे कि आप अपने खाने का ट्रैक करते हैं, वैसे ही यू हैव टू ट्रैक योर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी। and also plan ahead. If you have an activity goal for the week, make an activity plan and stick to it. Don't increase your activity levels too drastically. Increase them slowly and steadily. If you go too fast, you might hurt yourself.
But how will I know how much is safe?
Increasing activity by 30 minutes per week is considered normal. So that would come out to be not more than 5 minutes in a day. And any kind of moderate activity is also considered normal. But if you experience any shooting or sharp pain or pressure, then you should stop, especially if it is in your chest or radiating or starting from your neck, your shoulders, your arms. Okay? And if the pain persists for more than 2 to 4 minutes, you should call help and go see a doctor immediately.
Arey Baba, this sounds so scary.
It's not scary, Tanya. It's just that you should be aware of this information so that you don't hurt yourself. Apart from the obvious health benefits, physical activity also makes you feel and look fitter. And as exercise becomes a part of your regular routine, then you start enjoying it and you miss it on the days you can't do it.
I've been following my fitness routine off and on, but definitely I could not sustain it and I do not miss it at all.
Tanya, if you go slow and steady, then you will be able to sustain your exercise routine. And also more important is you need to enjoy what you're doing. By the end of this program, I would want each one of you to do at least 2.5 hours of physical activity in a week. So that makes up to be roughly 20 to 25 minutes in a day. But that is the end of the program. Right now, we'll set targets according to your current physical activity level. So any of you do any planned physical activity in a day?
हाँ, कभी-कभी मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड डिनर के बाद वॉक के लिए जाते हैं।
Okay, and you do this every day?
नहीं, हर रोज तो नहीं। हफ्ते में 2 या 3 बार 15 से 20 मिनट के लिए।
Well, after dinner walks are good for you to digest the food you've eaten and also to have a good night's sleep. But it's not the best time to exercise. So I would recommend that you restrict the walk to a casual stroll. Okay? Anybody else?
No.
I realized that some of you used to have an exercise routine. Tanya, what was your routine about?
I used to be going gymming every day, but I found it completely boring. And कुछ दिनों के बाद मेरा तो मन ही नहीं करता था उस ट्रेनर की शक्ल देखने का.
Okay, then we'll find out something that you like.
When I was a player, exercise and training was a big part of my life. I loved it. But then I started working and I used to be exhausted all the time. I did try to get some exercise, but I couldn't sustain it. There was just never enough time.
टाइम की तो प्रॉब्लम है श्रेया मैडम, और अगर वक्त मिल भी जाए तो अब आप इस उम्र में मुझसे एक्सरसाइज करवाएंगे?
Mr. Khan, हम धीरे से शुरुआत करेंगे. पहले ही दिन हम 20 मिनट एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे. The Habits program recommends aerobic exercises like brisk walking also. और ऐसी moderate level की exercises तो आप आराम से कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, पर मैंने तो जिंदगी में कभी इतनी एक्सरसाइज की नहीं है. तब मुझे तो बहुत ही स्लो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. वो अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? Snail's pace.
Basically, your exercise should make you sweat or make your heartbeat go faster. But if you feel exhausted or you feel a pain in the chest or an ache anywhere else, you should stop. Take a break, relax, and then continue depending on your condition. Since you've never exercised before, you're bound to have some aches and pains. But when you get used to your exercise routine, then your body will also cooperate with you.
How about swimming? There's a pool in my apartment complex.
Swimming is perfect and so is cycling. Cycle at a pace that gets your breathing faster and swim laps. Just don't move about in the water. Okay? And I know that an exercise routine can get boring. That's why you should get a family member or a friend to join you. That would keep you motivated. Another thing that really helps is a regular routine. Keep out a block of time in the day just for your exercising.
फिर वही टाइम मैडम. टाइम की तो कमी है.
Yeah, and I have just no control over my routine. It all depends upon my work.
That's not a problem. You can break it up. You could be active 2 to 3 times in a day in smaller chunks, like about 10 to 15 minutes twice daily. Your goal for this week is to reach 60 minutes of planned physical activity, and you could distribute it over 3 to 4 days. So let's start right now. Let's all go for a walk.
चलो, अब चल के थोड़ी सी टांगे भी चला लें.
But before you do any physical activity, you should do some warm-up exercises to stretch your muscles. And after you are done with the activity, you should do some cool-down exercises to relax your muscles. You could do the same activity with reduced intensity for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or you could do some stretching exercises. Raghu, you would know some stretching exercises. Would you like to show us?
Well, I can try.
Please show us some.
Can we all get up on our feet, please? Okay, so can we bring our feet together, please? And hands by your sides, loose. And then raise your arms up and reach as high as you can. Feel the stretch. That's right. And now bend from your waist down. You can bend your knees ever so slightly if you like, because we're going to touch our toes. Slowly bend down. Feel the stretch all the way back, down your spine and behind your legs, on your calves. Hold that for a bit and then come up again slowly. Slowly. Yeah. And then bring your arms down your side. Great. Yeah. So now we're going to do something with our legs. We're just going to fold our knees and hold them close to our body, almost as if we were hugging them, and then feel the stretch. We'll try with the right leg first, okay? Ah, nice. Yes, please try not to fall. I'm trying as well. Okay, right, okay. So let's do it now with the left foot, yeah, left leg. Yeah. Yeah, hold it close, enjoy it. Okay, there. Well done. Now we're just going to do the same thing, but folding the leg backwards. So first with the right leg, like so. Feel the stretch on your thighs. Feeling good? Yeah. Put that down. And the left leg. Oh. Nice, isn't it? I think that's it.
That's
Is that
very
okay?
good, Raghu. Thank you. Okay.